Now, at least 83 people are dead after days of heavy rain in southern Brazil, and more than 100 are missing.
When the unexpected strikes, will your family know what to do?
The number of weather-related disasters has increased fivefold in the past 50 years.
In a world full of chaos, your best defense is preparation. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, where we guide you through survival and preparedness, one step at a time. Today's crucial topic: creating a family emergency plan. Creating a solid emergency plan for your family is key to staying safe and prepared. Here are 6 essential steps. Gather your family. Sit down together and discuss potential emergencies that could affect your area. From natural disasters like floods or earthquakes to power outages or civil unrest, it's important everyone understands the risks. Assign responsibilities. Make sure each family member has a specific role during an emergency. Whether it's grabbing the go bag, caring for pets, or shutting off utilities, everyone should know what they need to do without hesitation. Establish meeting points. Decide on 2 safe meeting places, one close to home, like the front yard or a nearby park, and another farther away in case you need to evacuate your neighborhood. Create a communication plan. Make sure everyone knows how to stay in contact if separated. Text messages often work better than calls during crises. Also, designate an out-of-town contact for family members to check in with. Prepare emergency kits. Each family member should have access to an emergency kit that includes essentials like water, food, first aid supplies, and important documents. Don't forget to customize it based on individual needs, like medications or baby supplies. Practice regular drills. A plan is only useful if everyone knows it by heart. Conduct regular drills to ensure that every family member can act quickly and calmly when an emergency strikes. Here's a bonus tip. Don't just plan for the big events like natural disasters. Be prepared for smaller but equally disruptive situations like job loss or prolonged power outages. Flexibility in your plan is key. Now that you know how to create a family emergency plan, let's move on to something more advanced. Our next topic is building an off-grid cabin, the ultimate backup when the grid goes down. Before you go, check out some of our other videos. Top 20 survival items under $20. Prep you never think about, working out. Top 10 survival skills to learn before SHTF. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more prepping tips. Thanks for watching The Prepper's Path. Stay prepared, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.